Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to make fruit salsa. It's similar to a fruit salad, but just a little bit different. And this fruit salad could be used after you grill your meats, and it can be used on chicken as a nice little topper, so to speak. Or you can just use it, eat it by itself. You're having folks coming over to your pool, and you just want to have a lot of different things. This could be one of the things that you make. So we're going to start off with a small pineapple. It's not a big one. And we're just going to peel it, of course, and cut it up into chunks. And this is a quart of strawberries, and I quartered them. All right. So that's the strawberries, the pineapples, kiwi. This is about 3 kiwis, okay? Medium-sized kiwi, about 3 of them. And red onion. This is 2 tablespoons of red onion, chopped fine, of course. Jalapeno, 1 tablespoon of jalapeno. I took the seeds out, okay? This is supposed to taste good and not have too much heat. Of course, I love cilantro. So there's about 1 tablespoon of finely chopped cilantro. And lime, fresh squeezed lime. So I'm probably going to start off with about a half of lime. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's to offset the acid on the lime. And then I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So, the red pepper flakes are not as hot as the jalapeno, okay? And I don't want them to overpower the dish. And I'm just going to mix this up. Color's great, really looks nice. Beautiful color. Well, I'm done. That was quick. Okay, time to taste. Okay. It's a good blend of flavors. Pretty good. A little bit of heat there. Might have put too much pepper flakes. But anyway, so if you would like this a little bit sweeter, you can add a little bit more sugar. Otherwise, it's just fine the way it is. Thank you for making fruit salsa with Shelly's Cuisine today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shelly's Cuisine. Please hit the notification button. You can find this recipe on shellyscuisine.com and many other recipes. Thank you for being with us today, and tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.